Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel TT Logic, and here we have different problems of math solutions. So which is in the first problem is square root of 120 square and minus 80 square and is equal to what solution. So here it is. First of all, we use a nice algebraic identity to solve this, and which is a square minus b square and is equal to bracket a plus b, then a minus b. And so we are denoted by a is equal to 120 and b is equal to 80. And so here it is, we substitute them the values, and we can be written as square root a is 120, then plus b is 80 bracket, and now a is 120 and b is minus 80. So we subtract them and is equal to 200, and we added them. 120 plus 80 is equal to 200, and we subtract them. 120 minus 80 is 40, and here is square root. And now here we use an identity which is n square root of a times b and is equal to n square root of a and then times n square root of b. So here it is, we use this 200, and 200 is can be written as 2 times 100 and is equal to this 2, and 100 can be written as 10 square, and same as it is we can be written as this 40, and 4 times 10 is equal to 40, and then is equal to this 4 is can be written as 2 square, and then times 10. And now square root of this 2 times 10 square, and then times square root of this 2 square and times 10. So we cancelled out this square root with this square, and we can be remaining is square root of 2 times 10, and then times we separate squares and square root of this 2 square, and then square root of this 10. And so here it is cancelled out with this square root with this square, and the remaining is square root of 2 times 10, and then times this 2, and then times square root of 10. And so here it is, we multiply this 10 times 2 is equal to 20, and square root of this 2, and then square root of this 10 can be written as 2 times 5. So in the next step is 20 square root of 2 times we separate them, and square root of 2 times square root of this 5. So this square root of 2 and this square root of 2 is same as, and we can be written as 20 and square root of 2 and whole the power of 2 square, and then times square root of 5. And now this square root cancel with this square, and now is equal to this 20 times this 2, and then square root of 5. So this 20 multiply 2 is equal to 40, and 40 times square root of 5. And so here we got the value of here, and we got the value of 120 square and minus 80 square is the value of this 40 square root of 5. So this is final solution. So here in the next beautiful problem, which is 3 the power of x plus 3 the power of x is equal to 12, and find the value of x. And we are solve this, and this 3 the power of x plus this 3 the power of x same as, so we take common this 3 power of x out of bracket, and then this 3 power of x divided by this 3 the power of x is equal to 1, and then plus this 3 the power of x divided by this 3 power of x is equal to 1, and then equal to 12. So here we divided by 2 with both sides. Now this 3 the power of x and times 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and is equal to 12. And here we divided by 2 with both sides and cancelled out this 2 with this 2, and this 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. And we are remaining is this 3 the power of x is equal to this 6. And so here we use log with both sides, and then log 3x and is equal to log 6. So this x here and this log 3, and we divided by log 3 with both sides, this log 6 and divided by log 3 both sides. And now here cancel this log 3 with this log 3, and remaining is x is equal to 1, and plus this log 6 can be written as log and 3 multiply 2, and then over log 3. So here in the next step is x is equal to 1 and plus this log 3 and plus this log 2, and then over this log 3 over log 3. And now here cancelled out this log 3 with this log 3, and we remaining to find x is equal to 1 plus log 2 over log 3, and then here we can be written as the value of x is equal to 1 plus, and log 2 is can be written as 0.301, and then over this log 3 the value of log 3 is 0.4771. And now here the solution of this 0.301 over 0.4771, the solution set is 1 plus 0.6309, and x is equal to 1 plus 0.6309 is equal to 1.6309, and here it is the value of x. So here we verify them, and now verify here. And we put the equation is 3 the power of x plus 3 the power of x and is equal to 12. And now here we put the value of this x and x the value of this. So this 3 the value of 1.6309 and then plus this 3 and x the value of this 1.6309 and is equal to 12. And so the solution is 3 the power of 1.6309. The solution is 5.9998 and then plus this 3 the power of 1.6309. The solution is 5.9998 and is equal to 12. And now we added them and is equal to 11.9996 and this is approximately is equals to 12. And now when we round off into one decimal place, here it will be 0, then 1 will go here, so it will be 12 is equal to 12 is correctly verified. And now here again we have another beautiful math problem, which is square root of 12 times 13 times 14 times 15 plus 1 and is equal to what solution. So here it is, first of all square root, and this 12 is separate out of bracket and then times this 13 can be written as 12 plus 1 and this 14 can be written as times 12 plus 2 and this 15 can be written as bracket 12 plus 3 and bracket plus 1. And now here it is, we consider 12 as x and let's x is equal 12 and 12 the value of x. And now here we substitute them and put here the value of 12. So 12 the value of x and we can written as this x times and x plus 1 times x plus 2 and then times x plus 3 bracket and plus 1. And so here square root of x, and now this times x plus 3 is here times x plus 3, then times this x plus 1, then times x plus 2 and then plus 1. So here in the next step is we multiply them, and x multiply is this x is x square and plus 3x is 3x, then times and this x plus 1 multiply with this x plus 2 and is equal to x square plus 3x plus 2 then plus 1. And now here again we let and we express this square root of x square plus 3x we express as y. So here we let's y is equal to x square plus 3x, and now here we put the value of x square plus 3x y and we put here. So this x square plus 3x is can be written as y and a bracket, and this x square plus 3x is the value of y, and plus this 2 and then this 1 plus 1. So this y multiply them, and y square plus 2y then plus 1, and so here it is. We use a nice algebraic identity which is a plus b whole the power of 2 and a square plus 2ab plus b square. So as it is, and this is y plus 1 and whole the power of 2, and so here we put the value of this and square root of y plus 1 and whole the power of 2, and now here this square root cancelled with this square and is remaining is y plus 1 is equal to, and now here we put the value of this y, and y the value is this x square plus 3x. So here we substitute them and put it x square plus 3x and plus then this 1, and so this x the value is this 12. So here we put the value of x, and now we can be written as x is 12 square and plus this 3, and x is 12 and then 1 plus 1, and so this 12 square 12 square 12 multiplied 2 times is equal to 144, and then plus this 12 multiplied 3 is equal to 36, and then this plus this 1. So we added them and is equal to 181. Here it is our final answer and our final solution. So thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.